Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Complications of malnutrition. Complications of malnutrition include there can be hypoglycemia, hypothermia. Hypothermia is due to the loss of subcutaneous fat, infections like cell mediated immunity decreases. So Montauk's test is not reliable because of decreased cell mediated immunity. Humoral immunity is normal except in IgA. Electrolytes are impaired, that is, there is impaired sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Dehydration is seen, and also there is deficiency of micronutrients are also seen. So, these are the complications of malnutrition.
thank you and thank you for watching.